हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आज हम बात करेंगे बेसिक लेबोरेटरी इक्विपमेंट यूज्ड फॉर डिफरेंट प्रोसीजर्स। फर्स्ट, टेस्ट ट्यूब। दिस इज द बेसिक वीडियो फॉर लेबोरेटरी केमिस्ट्री। टेस्ट ट्यूब, it may be 10 ml. Test tube stand. We have to put test tube in stand by two ways, reverse or straight. Test tube holder. We keep test tube in this, and here is a knob. You can move up and down. Test tube brush. We have to use this brush to clean the test tubes. Boiling tube. This tube is used to boiling the substances of different types. Beakers. We have different measurements beaker. Some are 50 ml, some are 100 ml, some are 250 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter and all. And these are used mostly in all types of experiments. This is a conical flask. This is cone shape, so that it is known as conical flask. It is also different measurement: 50, 100 ml, 250 ml, 100, 1000 means 1000 ml. And round bottom flask. Round bottom flask has also different measurements, and this flask is also used to heating any substance for completion of any reaction. Flat bottom flask. It is also used to carrying the solutions and used in distillation process. Distillation process, conversion of any liquid into vapor and then liquid. It is called measuring flask. Measuring flask. Measuring flask, these used for measurement. These give definite and fixed measurements, volume measurements. They also have different measurements: 100 ml, some are of 50 ml, some are of 150 ml, 200 ml. According to your requirement, you can use them. Distillation flask or distilling plant. This is used for distillation process, because we have to keep here one tube, and around it we have to use water, cold water, which is used for distillation. Funnel. Funnel just used in the process of sublimation and for filtration or filling any solution in any narrow mouth tubes like burette. Bunsen burner funnel. Buchner funnel. Buchner funnel is used for filtration only because it contains capillary. Separating funnel. It is used to separate two immiscible liquids like oil and fat, because here is a knob and it contains capillary tube, this narrow part. And when liquid and basically solids are mixed together, there is mixture of oil and liquid like water. Then we have to lose this knob, and after losing this knob, water, which is dilute substance, will come out from this narrow part, and oil will stay in this tube. Next, measuring cylinder. This is the another method to measure the substances which cannot be measured by pipette. Then we can use measuring cylinder, and it is used to measure different types of liquid, and they are also of different measurements: 10 ml to 20 ml, 25, 30 and all. This is the next. This is the air condenser. This is used in the reflecting and distillation of solution or liquids at high boiling points. Water condenser, used again in the reflexing and distillation of solution of low boiling point. Up to 12th standard, these glasswares are not used in your experiments. Desiccators are used to remove moisture from any substance. We have to use anhydrous calcium chloride as dehydrating reagent. This is China dish, bowl-like structure, and this structure is used to evaporate any mixture, to keep any solid substance or salt. Mortar pestle. Mortar and pestle is used for grinding of any salt or any other solid substance. Gas jar, they use to collect the gas during the preparation of gases. We can collect all the gases in this. This is burette, which is most usable glassware up to 12th standard. Volumetric titration is completed with the help of this burette. They are basically of 50 ml or 50 cc, and These used to transfer one solution from one solution to another solution with measurement. Repeat. It is another measurement glassware which is used particularly for convert or transfer any liquid by measuring into different liquid. In this we have two parts, one is the narrow part and one is the narrow end and one is the width. And here is any valve, a valve, which valve contains more volume. We can use different measurements from 1 ml, 5 ml, 50 ml, 25 ml, 20 ml. We have to dip narrow part in the beaker or any other container in which we have liquid and suck it from the broad part up to the mark. Precaution you have to follow. आपको बहुत केयरफुली ये यूज़ करना होता है and never use strong acid with the help of this measurement glassware. You can use measuring cylinder for it. Fusion tube. This is a small tube which is used to prepare the sodium carbonate extract or not sodium carbonate extract, lactase extract for organic compound functional detection. Next one is this is glass rod which is used basically for stirring and mixing the substances. Platinum wire used for performing flame test. Next, spatula, spoon like structure used to give chemicals or taking chemicals. Next, triangular file which is used to scratch while cutting a glass or a rod. Finishing. Cork borer. Cork borer is used to doing hole of various size of cork. Watch glass is used for crystallization and mixing of any substance or to keep any salt on it. Wire gauge. It is used to cap any solution on the tripod to heat. Next, water bath used for heating water. This is inflammable substance cannot be formed on the direct flame. We can use for them water bath. Next, standard sand bath, apparatus that requires uniform heating. We can use sand bath. We have two types, water bath and sand bath. Sand bath. Crucible tongue to hold the beakers, china, dish and all other which is hot. We cannot touch or hold them with our hands. Tripod on which we have to keep wire gauze and then heat any substance. Wash bottles in which we fill distilled water for washing and rinsing. And at last we have Bunsen burner which is used to heating. This pipe is connected with gas pipe, air regulator, burner tube, air vent and base. We can keep here tripod and on that wire gauze, then we keep any substance, any beaker or conical flask for heating. So in this part I have just discussed about the glassware which is used in chemistry lab. These all are basic glasswares which only used up to 12th or BSc or MSc standard. Here is no complicated glassware, and some glassware which is shown here are not used in up to the intermediate level. So if you like this, you gain anything from it, then like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much.